is the second part of this chapter. So through this video, I am going to teach you about this chapter pattern, and through this video we will learn some geometrical pattern of part 2. Okay, so let's start this class. In this video we will learn about some problems of page number 159 and 160. Page number 159 and 160. Okay, now question number 1. Fill in the missing shape in each pattern. Question number 1 is fill in the missing shape in each pattern. I am going to draw some pattern shape and I am going to draw some shape. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 is question number 2. Question number 2 is you can see that I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions of this fill in the missing shape in each pattern. Okay, so start with the first question. Question number 1 is you can see that 1, 2, 3, and we will fill this fourth number box to correct shape. You can see that in question number 1, this is the okay. So first this small line is in this corner and the just opposite side a circle. Now in second figure, just this line comes or turn in this that the portion. Okay, now next one is so you can see that this first we will see that this line which I have drawn inside this square one. You can see that the first line in the first figure is small line in this corner in this vertex. In the second figure just it moves to upward. The next one is just it moves to right hand side, and now we will draw the same. We have to follow the same pattern to fill in this box. That so you can see that now in next figure this is our question. Okay, so in first figure and in the box number 4, this line once again to move the next corner, and after this move in this area. So first we will draw this line, okay, like this, and we will draw a circle just opposite to the line segment in the fourth boxes. So this is our answer. Okay, now come to the question number 2. In question number 2, the last box we will fill. Okay, because you can see that I have given the question mark, so we will fill this box, given box. Okay, first we have to fill this box. We have to see the sequence of the given shape. You can see that the one, two, two triangle in each in each box. Okay, and one small circle inside this triangle with dark and empty. So you can see that we will fill the different two different side of triangle. Okay, this one like this. Now after draw after drawing the circle of two different sides, say first one is bigger and the second one is smaller. Now come to the circle. You can see that circle is this is a empty, this is a dark, this is empty, this. So next one will be this is a, when we will draw the circle with the dark spots. Okay, so like this. So this is our answer. In the question number 2, this is our answer. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3, you can see that I have done 1, 2, 3, 4 circle, and the last box is our question. Last box is our question, and because I have given or I have put the question mark, so we have to follow the correct sequence, the given question, and you can see that first we will draw a circle. This is so simple. First we will draw a circle. Now next things is you can see that this is a what? This is a segment of circle. So in first circle you can see that this area is a this minor area, minor segment or major segment. This is minor segment is here. In the second circle, the minor segment is up to the moves to the upward. In the third circle, once again this minor segment moves to right hand side. Once again in the circle number 4, it once again it moves the downward side in the right hand. Okay, so first now in the next figure, first we will draw the minor segment like this in this area. Okay, and now come to the square. This is a dark square, this is empty, this is a dark, this is a empty. Now when we will draw a square inside the minor circle, this it will be dark, because you can see that dark, empty, dark, empty, dark. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is this is a star. Yeah, with 4 arms. This is a sickle shape. This is for a star. This is sickle shape. Now, what will be filled? What will be drawn? What will be drawn? Next shape in the inside this given box. So in this box we will draw this like this. This is our answer. ये हो रहा है, ठीक है, स्टार शेप में दिख रहा है, with 4 arms, 2 arms, 4 arms, 2 arms, 4 arms. So we will draw like this. So this is our answer. So this is our answer. Okay, now question next to comes question number 2. Question number 2 is continue the following pattern. Continue the following patterns. Okay, actually we can say that this is increasing pattern. We are studying about increasing pattern of geometrical. Okay, increasing pattern of geometrical. Increasing pattern of geometrical pattern. Okay, so I am going to draw some shape. Question number 1. number 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. So you can see that in question number 4 it continue the following pattern. We will follow this given question to continue. Okay. So you can see that in question number 1. In first box, I have drawn one line, one small line. In second, number of lines are 2 or each 2. In the third box, number of lines is 3. So you can see that this is we are studying about increasing pattern of geometrical shape. Okay. So in first box 1, in the second box is 2 lines, in the third box is 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 3 boxes are empty, and we will fill these boxes, given boxes, to follow the same pattern. In fourth box, in box number 4, we will draw 4 small lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In question number box number 5, we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last box, we will draw 6 line, small line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is our answer. Last three boxes we will our last 3 boxes is our answer. Now question number 2, you can see that in the first box is 1 triangle, in the second box is 2 triangle, in the third box is 3 triangles, and 3 boxes are empty, and we will fill these 3 given boxes to follow the same pattern. Okay. So in box number 4 we will draw 4 triangle. In 5, in box number 5 we will draw 5 triangle, and the last one we will draw 6 triangle. Okay. So I am going to draw 4 triangle in box number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is our answer. In box number 5 we will draw 5 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our answer. Okay. Now the last box we will draw 6 triangle. We will draw 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our answer. Last 3 boxes is our answer. Okay. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 3. You can see that I have drawn in first box 1 star, in the second box 2 star, in the third box 3 star, in the fourth box 4 star. So last box is empty, and we will fill this box with the stars. How many stars we will draw in the last box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will draw 5 stars in the last box. Okay, inside the last box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4. In the first box is 2 leaves. In the second box is 3 leaves, and 1, 2. 2 box are empty. Okay, or is empty, and we will draw. How many leaves? We will draw how many leaves? We will draw in the third box and the fourth box. First, I am talking about the box number 3. So first, you can see that in the first box is 2 leaves. In the second box is third leaves, and in the box number 3 we will draw 4 leaves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is our answer. Number of leaves is 2 in first box, number of leaves is 3 in the second box, number of leaves is 4 in third box, and the last one is, this is our answer. Okay, and the last one is, we will draw 5 leaves. How many leaves? We will draw 5 in the last box. One, 2, 3, 4, and last one is what? 5. Number of leaves is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our answer. So in the question number 4, this 2 is our answer. So students, in this video we have learnt, or we have studied about geometrical pattern of chapter number 14, patterns. In this video we have learnt about the uh, complete the missing shapes, or we have learned about continue the following patterns. I hope all of you have understood very well. All of you will also do the practice this type of questions. If you have any problem while you are solving this type of questions, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.